Can't find a real estate deal in this crazy market? In this video, I'll get you encouraged to learn how to see if there's a hidden gold mine in a seemingly overpriced property. On Thursday, January 21st, I'm hosting a webinar where you, me, and other pilot investors can dissect a real listed 10-unit apartment deal here in Colorado to see if there's still profits to be had in what appears to be an overpriced listing. Now, sure, I'm sure you've heard or even seen real estate prices in the past 12 months skyrocket. You're probably asking yourself, is this the right time for me to buy investment property? Well, if you remember my last video on the investing quadrants, there's a lot more to real estate than just the asking price. We need to analyze the cash flow, future appreciation, and amortization. No matter what the price, we need to analyze the quadrants with an open and creative mind. Or better yet, multiple minds from like-minded pilot investors like yourself. Is there a way to structure the deal to obtain a profit? Is this a gold mine? Or simply an overpriced hole in the ground? So next Thursday, January 21st, all of us are going to dissect this real deal, throw questions at each other, twist the deal creatively with open minds, and see if we can extract some profits from what seems to be overpriced. You'll learn how to analyze deals on your own. Or if you see your future as simply investing in others to do the legwork, you'll know the right questions to ask. Anyway, with all of us getting together, socializing, and educating each other, you can't lose. Now, to join my webinar on January 21st and further your financial education, go to layovermoney.com/overpriced. And of course, if you need any help on analyzing your own deals, feel free to schedule time with me on my calendar so we can dive deep into your deal and see if there is any gold down there.